G'day, I'm Stephen Page from Page Provan Family and Fertility Lawyers, and today I'm talking about the surrogacy process. When you are thinking that the only way that you're going to become parents is through surrogacy, the first obvious point is, what do we need? We need a surrogate. Problem. How do you find a surrogate? It's illegal to advertise for a surrogate in most of Australia, and it varies state by state as to what's allowed and what's not. But in most places it's okay to look on a forum. A friend of mine, Miranda Bontrone, who's a long established fertility counsellor in Sydney, has said it's much like dropping a pebble in a well or a pond. You have the ripple effect, and eventually you'll find a local surrogate. My guess is that it'll take you about 2 years. If you don't have a family member or friend, then you have to keep looking, but most people go overseas. In rough terms, for every child born through surrogacy in Australia, 4 are born overseas. And the numbers really demonstrate the problem of finding a local surrogate. If you're lucky, like me, you will have a local surrogate and you'll be able to undertake your journey here. What do you need to do? Well, some years ago, I was sitting on a committee of an IVF clinic to review surrogacy arrangements, and we were amazed, the various doctors, nurses, and the sole lawyer, me, when we came across one application that came in. All the stuff had been done. The legal stuff had been done. Counselling had been done, because you've got to do that. You've got to go and see a fertility counsellor, and some places more than one. Everyone had gone and seen their lawyers, so both sides had seen their lawyers before they signed the surrogacy arrangement. So it's usually a written document, prescribed in most places to be written, and there they'd signed it. But what they hadn't done, to my amazement and everyone else in the room, was that they hadn't gone and checked out whether the surrogate was medically viable. And as one person in the room commented, they put the cart before the horse. You've got to check whether your surrogate is actually able to carry. Can she carry a child?